Hallelujah. Zimbabweans is finally best. Best is Zimbabwe, best. There is a voice coming to me which says, peace, peace still, Zimbabwe. Chamisa, Chiwenga, Gezai Nyatimba Mtota are coming with the answer to your problems. God is in it. What are we saying to Mr. Mnangagwa? We have since spoken to you about your mistakes. Why don't you listen? We told you clearly that we want to impeach you. Instead of listening to the people, you listen to Ziambi, who misinforms you to shut and close the parliament. That advice cannot help you, my brother. Mr. Mnangagwa, you are better off by listening to the people than listening to Ziambi and other Ziganandas and your other cronies. You have failed the nation, Mr. Mnangagwa. Thieves, corruptors, and your unlearned close relatives are fooling you. We, the people, have rejected you. We are angry with you. Please do not overstretch our anger and our disappointment with you. We are trying to follow all lawful measures and lawful means of dealing with the problems that you are giving us. But you, in your own wisdom or lack of it, frustrate our efforts. You stand fired, Mnangagwa. Move out and pave way for Geza, Chiwenga, Nyatimba Mtota, and Chamisa, the most popular men to rebuild Zimbabwe. You have ruined our country. Hospitals have nothing like medication. They are dilapidating. Ceilings are falling apart. No beds, no blankets, no medication, no bandages. People are having to be bandaged using card boxes. There is virtually nothing in hospitals. There's completely no hope for you to resuscitate hospitals, Mr. Mnangagwa. Look at our transport system networks, including railways. You have dilapidated these facilities to pave way for the trucks belonging to your family, relatives, cronies, and your ministers to ferry goods into and out of the country and within the country in order for them to make money. Your actions in that regard are noticed by Zimbabwe. We no longer wanted that kind of action. The civil service have been dilapidated. You have destroyed the civil service due to poor salaries. We are offering $1,500 per month on the minimum, without considering the allowances which can come on top. Housing allowances, transport allowances, which are very attractive. What is $250 to $350 per month that you are giving people, Mr. Mnangagwa? Our coming government is prepared to reward people properly so that we show concern for the people. You see, schools have been destroyed by bringing useless programs, 5.0 program. This nonsense 5.0, to hell with it. Allowing your relatives to obtain examination papers before the examinations are written. That is bad. Your children and children of all ministers, they go overseas to attend school and even to be treated. Don't think we don't see that. We see all that. And because of that, we no longer want you. All ministers, all presidents and sons and daughters and relatives of ministers and presidents and MPs and councillors shall be treated in Zimbabwe. They shall be also schooled in Zimbabwe. Nothing less, nothing more. You have destroyed industry, my president. Do you want us to take you seriously by commissioning manufacturing of Amarula wines? That is mukumbi tototo inodhaka vanhu kuti varari vaite mazombi. Ndozvaungati wauya kuzogadzira nyika. Aiwa baba, wakoniwa chibva. You have destroyed farming by creating false hope that you are able to give farmers all inputs and all the goats and chickens by saying presidential, this scheme, presidential, that scheme. These schemes have proved to be failures. And a lot of scandals are around these schemes. And other people in the country are not able to obtain inputs and those things because they are accused of supporting opposition. We see all that. You must never try that, because the moment you become president, you are president for all the people, supporters and non-supporters. Now, when you come with inputs and presidential input schemes, premise on the fact that only your supporters must get those things, then you have created serious division. This serious division is showing its cracks now, which cracks you can never be able to seal. The water is oozing out of the tank because of the cracks that you have formed. You are no longer able to close the cracks. You have made your bed of thorns. We want you to sleep on your bed of thorns. Otherwise, you must move out. You have destroyed opposition by sending an impositor in the name of Kabanko, and then he started illegally snatching Chamisa's seats. We are able to see all that. Return Chamisa's seats. Return Chamisa's seats. Return Chamisa's seats. If you don't, we no longer need you. You are worthless to us. You are a baggage to us. You are a burden to the country. We want peace to prevail in our country. And if you want to have our ounce of honor, respect our voices. You have destroyed the mining industry. You are a Korokoza. You and your whole family, you are Korokozas. Grace Mugabe told the nation that you are a Korokoza. You have legitimized the illegal mining activities where chemicals like cyanide, lead, the mercury and other acids are splashed all over the land, thereby poisoning the water, and people have nothing to drink. You see, mazuva akare taiti tikasvika patsime tikasvika pachirwizinoera toti mvura haina ng'anga iye zvino ukangomwa mvura iyoyo unofa muZimbabwe zviro kwazvo. Let's do away once and for all with this dangerous behavior that the regime is showing due to lack of control of toxic substances. Mr. Mnangagwa, you have destroyed the business because manufacturing has ceased. Nothing is taking place. Mining is completely dilapidated. Everything is at a standstill. Ziganandas and your children are corruptly getting tenders, and no business is being done by ordinary people like you, me, and other people. We are sick and tired of you and your way of doing business. Nepotism and regionalism are the things that you are introducing to this country, which things are foreign to us. We never knew of nepotism. We never knew of regionalism because during Mugabe's time, he was very careful about this thing. You are worse off than Mugabe. When you came in, you said you were going to improve things to be better than what Mugabe was doing. What is it that you have improved? Come up in the open and show us everything that you have done in order to improve things, rather than taking all the people from Masingo to become leaders. You see, we are no longer interested in your behavior. Mnangagwa, your age is gone. You are old. You are incompetent. You are sick. Allow young people to rule, to lead this country. We no longer need rulers, but leaders. We don't want to hear any more of you. Leave us in peace. Leave us in peace, because what you want to do is to make people fight against each other, which is what we are safeguarding. We don't want that to happen. life is in danger because of you. Many generals have died. You see, opposition activists like Pastor Tafumane, Masaya, you see, Subisiso Moyo, Parents Shiri, and many others have been killed. Your duty is to preserve life and not to destroy life. We don't need avatar card. Wakit. Suka, you have destroyed our law. Our law only protects you and your supporters and your Ziganandas and your own children and in nothing more. You are turning a blind eye when your cronies and children and supporters break the law. Your eyes only open to be able to see clearly when other people in the opposite camp are alleged to have broken the law. You arrest them, people who have not committed crimes, like the journalists and other opposition activists are all in the prisons without blankets, without decent food, without nothing there. You see, in squalid conditions that are dirty because of you. Every leader must be fair, firm, friendly, but not familiar. You are too familiar, Mr. Mnangagwa. You are not a leader. You are not fair, Mr. Mnangagwa. You are too firm, and you see, and we don't need a leader like that. It is because of that and in many other reasons that we say enough is enough. We have had enough of you, Mr. Mnangagwa. You are only by yourself. People no longer support you. You see? And now you're clinging to power. But the people of Zimbabwe have since listened to Comrade Geza's voice. We no longer need a leader like you. For avoidance of doubt, you are fired. The people of Zimbabwe have spoken. You are fired. Leave us in peace. We no longer need you. Mr. Mnangagwa, goodbye. We no longer need you. The people of Zimbabwe are speaking. We are noticing all your people whom we are sending in the streets to come and force us to go and open our businesses, which can be looted. We are seeing a lot of signs of looting. Gangs of thieves are coming together to try and plan to come and steal and plunder from our shops and everything. And those people who are moving in town, some gangs are going around, try and burn their cars, which is not correct. We don't support that kind of lawlessness. But because of you, you are giving them the courage to go. If anyone is injured, we would say it, we put it in the blood of those people upon your shoulder, because you are the one who is telling them to go there. When the actual current leader of the people is saying don't go, please listen to the voice of the people. Mr. Mnangagwa, people no longer need you. You are a burden to us. We don't need you. This is Natimba Mutota giving you advice for free. Please listen to the voice of the people. If you don't listen to the voice of the people, you see, we are seeing youngsters planning to go and sit in airports, planning to go and sit at your house, to come and sit there, and you are obliged to give them food. And if they are hungry, we don't know what they will do. Please, Mr. Mnangagwa, listen to the people. Pack your bags and go. You are no longer our president. Bye-bye.